Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the hood on an 07 Mazda 3. So if you need any parts for your vehicle, click on 1aauto.com. Open the hood. The hood release is right here by the driver's knee kick panel, and just pull on it. Safety lock is in the center. I'm just going to put my finger in there and turn it towards the driver's seat. Lift her up. Then you have the hood prop, and the indicators with the arrow. And you just put the hood prop right in. We've got a bracket on the driver's side with 2 bolts, and they both are a 10mm socket. So you're going to loosen those up. The top one has a slot on the hinge, so we're just going to loosen that one as much as we need to. We don't have to take it all the way out. And we're going to remove that one, the bottom one. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to set it right there for now. Move to the other side. On the passenger side, where the hinge is mounted, the washer hose connector is right here, and there's a little body clip that goes in the hinge. The hinge is staying on the vehicle, so we don't have to undo it from the clip, but we're going to separate it right here from the washer hose that goes into the hood to the nozzles. Now I can dismount the 2 mounting bolts. Take the bottom one all the way out, and we're just going to loosen the top one. So you get someone to help you, and you embed your shoulder into it, and then I can lift up, or we can lift up, and we'll disconnect the hood rod. And we don't have to undo the bolt, Andy. As you can see, it's slotted. So we can walk it aside and rest it on something.
Bottom one.
Yeah, the top one doesn't have to go in.
Slide it on.
Yep. Oh, my arm is falling down, so here we go. So after I had the aid of someone helping me install the hood, remember on the removal, the top bolt doesn't have to come all the way out. It's in like a flange. And the great thing about this is the car has been painted, not just from the factory, has been painted after. So we really have some great lines to go by here to tighten down the bolts. We're going to get them close. Let's see what we have to do here to line up. Just snugging them, and then I'm going to go to the other side. Now go to the other side and check the paint line over there. Well, it's pretty accurate. Paint line looks like it lines right up. Maybe we got it on the first time. I'm going to connect the washer hose. I'm going to snug the other side. And then I'm going to okay, let's see. Looks perfect. Let's make sure the latch works. That's a good practice. Once you take a hood off and you close it, make sure the latch lines up properly and releases.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.